Okay, so we are gonna do a quick one for today because I have office works. So the last time we discussed that we will be solving the diameter of the tree, right? And we're not gonna see the solution basically. So the problem is that the root of the tree return the length of the diameter of the tree. I might have solved it way before, so I don't remember exactly, but it's not wrong. Diameter is like okay for this one, the height of this plus height of this. So we just need a function which returns the height. Is it the same thing as check for balanced or not instead of this? Let me see. You know what? We'll just be copy pasting a lot of functions from here. So okay, the function which calculates the height. I just need this. Okay. Now what is this gonna do? Okay, if root is not returned true, otherwise we push. We need this also. Okay, if root is null, return true. If happens, I don't need this thing. We push it, if not empty, we iterate. For every iteration, what we're gonna do is, for every iteration, we're returning a height. So we need the value of int height, and we return the height. Okay, now what we need is for every iteration, right? So height is equals to max of. Oh, wait. I can't name it like this. Max height. Max height is equals to max of max height, comma height function of temp dot left plus height function of temp dot right. Do we need a plus one? Probably. Oh, okay. Something is wrong. Definitely. So the issue is that we are referencing the value of height temp dot left. Height. Oh, wait. Okay. The parentheses were in the wrong place. Now, so hard to debug these stuff. Hmm. काम कर जा भाई. Okay, what is the issue? It is still not working. Is it TLE? It is not TLE apparently, but it will take a lot of time for this question. I don't think this will work also, but let's see. Hmm. If we return the number of that is a height concept. So it doesn't want a plus one apparently. Oh wait, the height of left and the height of right. The height of for me it's returning 4, but apparently this is the height of 3 and oh yeah, we don't need this. Either this will be correct or oh, why is it taking so wait, probably TLE. I assume it's gonna be a TLE because it's taking so long. Please don't be TLE. Is LeetCode getting slow today? What is the issue? Come on, just work, just work. Oh. What is the problem? Oh wait, it worked with a very high time complexity apparently. Let me see what the slowest one. So if time meter is 0, if it is not, otherwise you return the height from the what? This is a height function. If diameter is 0, if it is not root, return the, if root is not equals to, then return, basically it's null case, I guess. If n is equals to height of root, comma, diameter. So what it's going to do is left height is equals to height of left, right height is equals to diameter is max of diameter, comma, left height plus right height. Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. You could have written it better way, bro, but okay, makes sense. Makes sense. Let me just read the documentation. Is my net? Probably that can be the reason. Okay, it's probably not LeetCode's fault. It's probably my internet's fault. So the earlier method took time because it kept recalculating the depth of subtrees again and again. This repetition made the things slower. And what is the brute force? Uh, I think I might have done brute force. Hmm. Okay. So call the height function traverse. So diameter of the tree. Call the height function. So basically, if it is not a node, then 0. And if left height equals to height of this, right height is equals to this. Diameter is equals to max of diameter from a left height plus right height. So return the max. Okay, makes sense. Let me see if I can put this up. Hmm. So instead of calling all of these stuff, what you're gonna do is you're gonna call a height function, which takes tree, node, star root, and int diameter. So if root is equals to null, return 0, otherwise int left height is equals to height function called with root left diameter int right height is equals to height function called with root right with diameter, and diameter is equals to max of diameter function plus left height of plus right height, return 1 plus. What is return? Return the left height plus right height, right? Okay. What do we return? Oh, I'm confused. What do we return all this? Yeah, that's what, return the diameter. No, return the max. Why do we return the max? Oh, What is wrong? Oh, okay, my spelling is wrong. Okay. So how does this function get called? Suppose this is the left height. Suppose this is the right height. We'll take the value of diameter as the max of left height plus right height. So that is the diameter for this value, and we'll be returning it to this function 1 plus max of any of those values. Or because this is at the end height returning function. So our returning parameter should be height. Diameter is just being calculated in the middle of the recursion. Okay, makes sense. While calculating the height of the tree, use the recursion stack. Okay.